Yo, what is going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you all how to always cop on the Snkrs app, guys, on iOS or Android. Now, there's two methods I'm going to show you. It's either the manual method or you're going to be able to use this free bot that I'm going to give to you guys on your iOS or Android device, and it's called Snkrs++. I'm going to go ahead and actually open up the app. But in this video, I'm going to show you all exactly how to download it, and you guys do not want to miss out on this because this is the best Snkrs bot that always has a 100% success rate copying. And honestly, it's so amazing because I could pretty much cook every single release and get a limited amount of pairs and resell them and make mad money doing this, guys, with the Snkrs++ application. So luckily for you guys, I'm actually going to go ahead and release this app to you all for absolutely free. This is such an easy way to go ahead and pretty much always cop on every single Snkrs app release. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the app and show you all how it works. So it is a built-in bot. It's not like a Chinsey bot, none of that. It always works. It's not like some of these bots I see people promoting, like, they're so bad, I don't even understand why they're promoting them. I don't know if they're money hungry or they're just like they didn't do their research, but the bots they be selling suck so much. But this is the best one you guys want to get your hands on. In this video, I'm going to show you all exactly how to get it. And basically the way it works is they actually modded the Snkrs app. This is not even like fully a bot. It's actually a modded version of Snkrs. And somehow they connected to the servers. It's honestly so amazing though, but simply tap on the cop bot and then it's going to take you to this button. So any Snkr that drops, it's going to show you the cop bot button and then it's going to say cop now. And when you go to do it, it's going to say get now. And then when you type in get now, it's going to go ahead and automatically ship it to your house, guys. Like add it to cart and everything like that. And as you guys can see, cop bot 100% success rate. If you go on the Snkrs app right now, this is not there. Snkrs++. So this is the certified bot of 2020. And I'm going to show you all in this video exactly how to download it so you guys can cook on every single release and make easy money reselling on the side. Not even as a side income. Like, honestly, some good months, like I actually make like at least 3,000 a month doing this, guys, just reselling Snkrs from the Snkrs app using this bot. And honestly, why would I lie to you guys? I'm not even charging you anything for this bot, so it's absolutely free. And in this video, I'm going to show you all exactly how to install the Snkrs++ bot onto your iOS or Android device, so you guys can pretty much always cook on every single release. So let's get right into it. What we're going to want to do first is make sure the background app refresh is turned on our iOS device before we can get this secret bot onto our phone. If you're on Android, don't worry about this step for now. It's not applicable. But what we're going to want to do is scroll down until we find General. And once we're in General, guys, you're going to want to scroll down again until you find Background App Refresh. There it is right there. And once you're in here, make sure it's turned on to Wi-Fi and cellular data, just like that. Now, the reason we have to have this on is because it allows us to inject modded apps into our phone without having to jailbreak it. So just go ahead and make sure that's turned on now. Also, don't leave out of settings yet. What you're going to want to do is use the search bar here and go ahead and type in battery. And just go ahead and make sure the low power mode is off and make sure you have at least 10% battery on your phone, iOS or Android. If you're on Android, I believe it's called battery saver or power saver. Just make sure that's turned off, guys. That way it won't interfere with the download of Snkrs++. So now that we did all that, I'm going to go ahead and show you all exactly how to download this application for absolutely free, guys. So the way we get it is pretty simple. It's not on the App Store though. It is a tweaked app, which means we're going to have to use this website. So open up your browser on your phone, and we're going to head over to this website called appzilla.vip. Here we are, guys. It's called appzilla.vip. This is a tweaked app store. It's fully web-based or cloud-based, so we don't have to download anything onto our phone. Unlike Tutu app and like those kind of like third-party app stores, this one is fully web-based, like I said. So what we're going to want to do is in the search bar here, just go ahead and type in Snkrs. And there it is right there, Snkrs++, free bot for iOS and Android. What you're going to want to do is simply tap on it. And then you're going to see the start injection button right there. Just go ahead and tap on that as well. And now all we got to do is just wait for this to load, guys. Give it like 15 seconds or so. In the meantime, please leave a like on this video. Subscribe with all notifications on and comment down below anything you want me to read or anything like that. If you have any questions or if you want me to help you guys out with the download, let me know. I'll be reading the comments and responding to you guys as soon as possible. As soon as I see your comment, I'll respond to you. But yeah, honestly, guys, with this, like, my experience has been so good. I've pretty much cooked on every single release. I haven't been able to not cop on. Wait, did I even say that right? Every single release I've like literally got at least one pair. But the cool thing about it is that there's also some extra features where it allows you to actually go ahead and use the spoofer, which is built in it, and it actually allows you to get more than one pair of the shoe, even though there's a limit of one. So there's like a built-in spoofer, and you don't have to use like a different credit card or different address. It actually just like messes with the service a bit, and it glitches out and allows you to get more than one pair. I've been able to do this. I've gotten 3 pairs of the same shoe sometimes. It's actually really awesome. Now, before you can get the Snkrs++ application, though, there is one last step, guys, to get it on your device. So keep on watching. This is the final step before we can go ahead and get it. It's going to go ahead and say, please follow and complete the instructions of the offers below to finish the download process. So we're going to see some apps here, and all we got to do is just complete each of them on the list. And after that, we will have the Snkrs++ application installed on our device for absolutely free, and we can go ahead and cook on every single release. So let's get started, guys. I'm going to walk you through this. I'm not going to do all the apps, though, because I don't want to make this video too long. But yeah, simply tap on one of the apps. So you're going to see the instructions right here. And what you're going to want to do is make sure you read that and understand fully what to do and go ahead and complete it. So I'm going to get started with it. And let's go ahead and get started with this app, baby. So yeah, honestly, I'm so excited, guys, because let me know, after you guys install this app, let me know if you're able to cook on any releases. Honestly, I'm 100% sure you guys are going to be able to cop anything you want for absolutely free. I mean, not for free, obviously, but you're going to have to pay, but you're going to be able to get 100% success rate. And make sure, if you're trying to resell, make sure you're using this on shoes that have a good resale value, because when I was a beginner back, like 2015, when I started first reselling, I was like buying any shoe that dropped, and I thought it would, like, you know, have a high resale value. I remember the first time I did it, it was with the 14s. I forgot the name of them. And I copped them, and I thought, I was like, yo, I'm about to make mad money off this flip. But I got them, and nobody bought them, and I was stuck with them. So make sure you guys do your research. I recommend just like reading on Reddit and seeing what the hype is all about. Facebook groups as well, to see what people are saying about an upcoming shoe. But once you guys have done one app, what you're going to want to do here is come back here, choose another app. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one right here. And here we are, guys. We're running a second application. And after you complete all of them, you're pretty much done. I'm not going to do the rest, though. I don't want to make this video too long, but it's already long enough. It's almost like 7 minutes long, guys. I guess it's not too long for a good tutorial, though. But yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. And after you've done all the apps on the list, Snkrs++ will fully install, and now you can go ahead and cop any shoe you want for absolutely free. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll be reading them, like I said, and enjoy copying everything on Snkrs++ for absolutely free, guys. Peace out.